Cardano value equivalent to 6.1476 rands a coin. The present cost range, 5.8438. 6.2388. The earlier day close, 6.0252. The change was plus 0.1224. Plus 2.03%. Opposite rates, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday. WAC 8. Cost 5.94 rands. High 6.36. Low 5.52. Cardano figure on Thursday. WAC 9. Cost 5.94 rands. High 6.36. Low 5.52. Cardano cost expectation on Friday. WAC 10. Cost 5.86 rands. High 6.27. Low 5.45. Cardano figure on Monday. WAC 13. Cost 5.70 rands. High 6.10. Low 5.30. In multi-week Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday. WAC 14. Cost 5.52 rands. High 5.91. Low 5.13. Cardano figure on Wednesday. WAC 15. Cost 5.65 rands. High 6.05. Low 5.25. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday. WAC 16. Cost 5.48 rands. High 5.86. Low 5.10. Cardano figure on Friday. WAC 17. Cost 5.45 rands. High 5.83. Low 5.07. Cardano cost expectation on Monday. WAC 20. Cost 5.56 rands. High 5.95. Low 5.17. In about 14 days Cardano figure on Tuesday. WAC 21. Cost 5.50 rands. High 5.89. Low 5.12. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday. WAC 22. Cost 5.28 rands. High 5.65. Low 4.91. Cardano conjecture on Thursday. WAC 23. Cost 5.16 rands. High 5.52. Low 4.80. Cardano cost expectation on Friday. WAC 24. Cost 5.17 rands. High 5.53. Low 4.81. Cardano conjecture on Monday. WAC 27. Cost 5.05 rands. High 5.40. Low 4.70. In 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday. WAC 28. Cost 5.12 rands. High 5.48. Low 4.76. Cardano conjecture on Wednesday. WAC 29. Cost 5.00 rands. High 5.35. Low 4.65. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday. WAC 30. Cost 5.08 rands. High 5.44. Low 4.72. Cardano conjecture on Friday. WAC 31. Cost 5.23 rands. High 5.60. Low 4.86. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, April 3. Cost 5.05 rands. High 5.40. Low 4.70. In about a month Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, April 4. Cost 5.35 rands. High 5.72. Low 4.98. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, April 5. Cost 5.83 rands. High 6.24. Low 5.42. Cardano figure on Thursday, April 6. Cost 5.85 rands. High 6.26. Low 5.44. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for WAC 2023. Initially cost at 6.42 rands. Excessive cost 6.64. While low cost 4.65. Be arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.74. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 5.23. Change for spring 18.5%. Cardano figure for April 2023. Initially cost at 5.23 rands. Excessive cost 6.31. While low cost 4.21. Be arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.07. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 4.53. Change for April 13.4%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2023. In the first place cost at 4.53 rands, exorbitant cost 4.61, while low cost 4.01. Found the middle value of cost 4.37. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 4.31, change for May 4.9%. Cardano gauge for June 2023. In the first place cost at 4.31 rands, exorbitant cost 5.35, while low cost 4.31. The found the middle value of cost 4.74. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 5.00. Change for June 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2023. In the first place cost at 5.00 rands, excessive cost 5.00, while low cost 3.91. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.53. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.20. Change for July 16.0%. Cardano conjecture for August 2023. At the outset cost at 4.20 rands, excessive cost 4.20, while low cost 3.28. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.80. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.53. Change for August 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset cost at 3.53 rands, excessive cost 3.56, while low cost 3.10. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.38. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.33. Change for September 5.7%. Cardano conjecture for October 2023. At the outset cost at 3.33 rands, excessive cost 3.69, while low cost 3.21. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.42. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.45, change for October 3.6%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2023. Initially cost at 3.45 rands, excessive cost 3.45, while low cost 2.86. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.21. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 3.07. Change for November 11.0%. Cardano figure for December 2023. Initially cost at 3.07 rands, excessive cost 3.77, while low cost 3.07. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.36. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 3.52. Change for December 14.7%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2024. Initially cost at 3.52 rands, excessive cost 3.52, while low cost 2.75. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.19. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 2.96, change for January 15.9%. Cardano figure for February 2024. Initially cost at 2.96 rands, excessive cost 2.96, while low cost 2.32. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.68. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.49. Change for February 15.9%. Cardano cost expectation for WAC 2024. Before all else cost at 2.49 rands, excessive cost 2.49, while low cost 1.94. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.25. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end